A lot of work here today. Nice big field. I couldn't have did it without my buddy Jack. Real good young operator. 16 years old. You can't beat him.
Oh, there it goes. Oh. Boy, that's a big tree. Full of cold dirt. The whole bottom of it is cold dirt. Big one here.
Getting my field cleared today. My buddy came over with his excavator, and first stump we pulled out, we had a vein of coal. So, see all the coal dirt here. For a minute there, I thought I was going to be rich, but we decided not to go after the vein of coal. I just want to have this a farm field. So, but it's getting pretty nice here. There's my son Ethan in the back. Yeah, so I'll let you watch here. He's doing a good job. He's only 16 years old. He's good and pretty good on a machine. So what we do here is he pushes the tree down, and then I get the chainsaw and I cut all the smaller branches. Cut everything down until I get log sections, and then I cut the stump off at the end while he holds it with the excavator, and then we pile up our logs. Then we can either sell the logs for timber, or we can cut them up and use them for firewood. Nothing's going to go to waste though, not even these small branches.
Hi, I'm John. Welcome to the farm. Today, we're going to be planting some corn in the new field I just made. So, you see down there, I've been working. I just got a harrowed off. And I got the corn planter hooked up here. Old 2-row corn planter. People have things that are family heirlooms to them, like a old dresser or a pitcher or something like that. I have farm equipment. So let's start it up and we'll see how we do here. Well, I had to go through the whole thing, and I always cover over what the planter doesn't get. It's missing a couple pieces and it doesn't bury everything, so I go over it because the chipmunks, the squirrels, blue jays, all kinds of birds, turkeys, as soon as the corn starts getting about this big, they all go out here and they pull it out one by one and they eat the corn seed off the bottom, and then it's ruined. So that's why I always try and get it planted early too. Second week of May, up here in Pennsylvania, we're usually not going to have another hard frost, so the temperature of the soil is 50 degrees. It's got to be 50 degrees for the seed to germinate. And how I tell that is in the evenings, the overnight temperatures, once they are 50 or above, that usually means that your temperature of your soil is 50 or above. So that's usually what I do. And then this will be a nice field of corn. So in about 2 weeks, I'll come down. I'll show you how it's starting to look. You know, hopefully it looks pretty good. So we'll see what happens.